Good morning, children. Children, just now we discussed that what is force and how it can be used. As we discussed that force can move a stationary object, force can stop a moving object, force can even change the direction of a moving object, force can slow down a moving object, or even it can increase the speed of a moving object. Force can change the shape and size of an object. So in this way we have understood that with force we can do many things. Now let us find out what are the different types of forces. What are the different types of forces? Okay. The first one which we are going to discuss is muscular force. Now by muscular force, as you understand, when I am pulling this chair is in front of me, I am pulling, you can see the chair. How I have pulled the chair? How I have taken the chair, lifted actually, I have lifted the chair. How? With the help of my hands. And hands means muscles. You have already studied in your human body that how muscles, they perform many actions. Okay, so as you can see, I have lifted this chair with the help of my muscles, isn't it? In this way, pulling something, lifting something, pushing something. If I push this table, or I close the door, okay, or I close this box, and just show you, this box is closed. I want to open it. It cannot open by its own. I am applying force. I am applying my muscles to stop it or open it or close it. So in this way, different, not only hands, we do many things with our legs, isn't it? Suppose the ball is moving and you want to stop the ball. How will you stop? With your leg. You stop it with your leg. You apply your muscles. So in this way, even sometimes we use our legs, something is moving away and means we are in a hurry and we apply our leg. With the leg we push our doors and close it. When a person is driving a car, he applies the brake to stop the vehicle, isn't it? You must have seen. How do you apply the brake? Brake doesn't means the car doesn't stop automatically. With the brake which is applied with your legs, with the help of the legs. Even if you are riding a bicycle, you are paddling, isn't it? And how you are paddling? With your legs. And that is the muscles. They are performing this action because force has been applied. So children, when we push, pull or lift something, we apply muscular force. Okay? Push something, pull something. I am pulling my bag, taking it out because it is stuck, or I am pulling something from the basket. I am lifting the chair. Just now I showed you. So all these, when we use our muscles, our hands, our legs, they are called muscular force. So we are using our muscles. So this is a type of force used. I told you, driving a car, okay, or moving your bicycle, paddling it, lifting a chair, or pushing some object, closing the door, stopping the football. These all means some of the examples of muscular force. Coming children to the next force is gravitational force. I hope you have heard this word gravitation. As you know, Isaac Newton, he actually invented the law of gravitation. He was sitting under a tree and he was studying at that time in the university, and an apple just fell from the tree, apple tree, and fell down. He wondered. Now, we all see this. We always see apples, not only apples, maybe apples are not near your area, no apple trees, they are mostly grown in the cold region. But you can see other trees, isn't it? Mango tree or any other fruity guava tree. And you must have seen, watched, noticed that the fruits, not only fruits, the leaves and the fruits and all things fall down. I throw this chalk, falls down. It doesn't go up or it doesn't stay in the air, isn't it? So when I throw something, it comes down. So he started thinking and invented this, that the earth, there are many things, all are attracted to each other. So the earth has gravitation which pulls everything towards it. Okay? The earth has gravitation which pulls everything towards it. All the things which have this mass, they are attracted to each other and they are pulling the things. But you must have watched the spacecraft, and when the astronauts, they go to space, you must have seen that they float. You must have seen. You know that many a times we have seen the videos of Sunita Williams, the great astronaut, and when she comes, means she goes to the space and she's in the spacecraft, and there are many videos where she shows everything, that how they function in the spacecraft, in that the plane they are inside, and that they are floating at that time. Have you seen they float? Why? Because in space there is no gravity, nothing is pulling towards it, so everything is floating. If you are brushing the teeth, after you keep the brush, we keep the brush and the brush remains in that stand, but here they will float. Okay, even the food, just imagine how difficult it is. The food, they will not remain in one place, they will not be in the table, on the table, they will be floating. So they have to, they have to tie it, and they have to make a place where they can sit inside, and you must have seen how they sleep. When they sleep also, they tie the belts, because there is no weight and the body will be floating, like we will, the birds, they move around like we will be also. So gravitational force is something which pulls everything. That force is there. The earth is pulling everything towards it. That's why your table is fixed, means station in the ground. Your chairs are there, your furniture, your food packets, all your vessels, all your water bottle, pencil, rubber, everything. Each and everything in this earth, in this planet, they are pulled down because there is a gravitational force of the earth. Earth pulls everything towards it. So this is also a force, isn't it? Otherwise everything will be just scattered and fluid. So the two forces we have studied is muscular force, when we apply our muscles to pull, push or lift things, and the gravitational force where the earth is pulling everything towards it. So it is applying the force to keep the things in its own place. As you have noticed, or even if you have not noticed, just watch it. Sometimes the videos of the astronauts in the space and how things are just moving around because there is no gravitation in the space. Okay? Thank you, children.